Open it now?
Yeah, okay. Just take a guess.
I know it's in a big box, but it's something small.
I doubt it.
Is it my tennis racket?
No.
Because you do that. You take stuff and you rewrap it.
Oh, you're never going to open it, though.
That's been a nerve gun that you never got.
Am I going to need, like, scissors?
Yep, you are.
Why did you use the ball paper?
Well, give me some scissors. Or something to open it with.
Give you my toenail.
Geez,
Yeah.
how many different kinds of paper did you use on it?
Not that.
No, look. Here, use this.
No, Sophia.
Yeah, see, it's sharp.
Oh my gosh.
Get a knife.
Oh, it didn't work.
Get those scissors.
Fine.
No, that's the part where... Here.
It's
Get to cut that tape.
tape is fine.
Yeah, it's duct tape. Why we never have any duct tape?
Well, they went to the hardware.
Now, that one,
Marion Barber jersey?
that one is wrapped like a normal person.
Is it a
thing.
Marion Barber jersey? Is it a Marion Barber jersey? Is it? Is it? Is it? Yes! Oh, you're making
The barber.
Marion Barber.
He's a cowboy. A cowboy.
Running man.
Isn't he the one that has the dreadlocks?
Yeah.
Well, we need some dreadlocks
Guy
for underneath your hat.
That's the problem.
Well, Marion Barber never looked that good in
Take
his
it,
own
don't
jersey.
take it.